Hello everyone, this is Beena Parya. Welcome to the mathematics class. During this global epidemic period, I wish you all to be safe. Just be inside your home. This is an introduction video. In this video, we will study about natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational numbers and properties of rational numbers. Let's start from the natural numbers. As you all know, all the numbers start from 1 आर कॉल्ड नेचुरल नंबर. मतलब 1 से लेके आगे तक के सारे नंबर्स नेचुरल नंबर्स होते हैं. एंड होल नंबर, द नंबर स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 0 आर कॉल्ड होल नंबर. नाउ कम टू इंटीजर्स. व्हाट इज इंटीजर्स? To know about integers, first we draw a number line. As you can see on the picture, all the numbers on the right side to the 0 are called positive integers and all the numbers are on the left side to the 0 are called negative numbers. One more important thing to remember, that 0 is neither positive nor negative number. Now we can say that integer is a set of all negative and positive integers included with 0. Now come to rational numbers. What are rational numbers? The word rational comes from ratio. All the rational numbers can be written as ratio or fraction form. For example, 2.5 can be written as 5/2 and this is the form of ratio. Second thing, integers can be written as fractions by giving them a denominator of 1. मतलब अगर हम इंटीजर्स के डिनोमिनेटर में 1 से डिवाइड लगा दें तो वो फ्रैक्शन फॉर्म में आ जाएगा और उसकी वैल्यू में भी कोई अंतर नहीं आएगा. जैसा आप एग्जांपल में देख सकते हैं, 4 को इक्वल लिखा है 4/1, यानी कि अगर हम 4 के डिनोमिनेटर में 1 से डिवाइड लगा दें तो उसकी वैल्यू में कोई चेंज नहीं आएगा और वो फ्रैक्शन फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज टर्मिनेटिंग डेसिमल्स कैन बी रिटन एज अ फ्रैक्शन. मीन्स 1/5 कैन बी रिटन एज 3/2. मतलब 1.5 में से अगर हम डेसिमल को टर्मिनेट करते हैं और इसके सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म में लिखने की कोशिश करें तो ये 3/2 में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा, जो कि इसकी फ्रैक्शन फॉर्म है. नाउ नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज रिपीटिंग डेसिमल्स कैन बी रिटन एज फ्रैक्शन यूजिंग अलजेब्रिक मेथड्स. मतलब डेसिमल के बाद कोई एक नंबर बार बार रिपीट हो रहा है तो उसे हम अलजेब्रिक मेथड से फ्रैक्शन फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं. फॉर डिटेल यू कैन सी द फुल सॉल्यूशन. With the help of this picture, you can understand all the things that I have told you. Students, now we will study about rational numbers in details and the properties of rational numbers so that it will help you while doing exercise. The major properties of rational numbers are: first, closure property; second, commutativity property; third, associative property; and the fourth and last is distributive property. Students, you can see in this picture that there are 4 properties and 4 operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So overall we have to do 16 tests. So we can classify that which property is applicable or which is not. One by one we will check all these properties for all operations. First we will check closure property for addition. Let's add two rational numbers and see what happens. Adding two rational numbers 1/2 plus minus 1/4, we get 4 as LCM and on the numerator we get 2 minus 1. So finally the answer is 1/4. So we can say when we add two rational numbers, the answer is always a rational number. Come to the subtraction of rational numbers. Now we take two rational numbers 1.7 minus 1/3. 1.7 can be written as 17/10. By terminating decimal, we will write it as 17/10 and minus 1/3. Now the LCM of 10 and 3 will be 30. So we write 30 on denominator and then we get 51 minus 10 on numerator. After solving this, we get 41/30 as answer. Here you can see 41/30 is in form of P/Q and here Q is not equal to 0. P and Q are integers. So what we observe? We observe that when we subtract two rational numbers, we always get a rational number. This is the closure property for subtraction of two rational numbers. It means rational numbers are closed under subtraction. Now we will check closure property for multiplication of two rational numbers. We have minus 2.5 is multiplied by 1 upon 5. So we will write 2.5 by terminating decimal as minus 25 upon 10 is multiplied by 1 upon 5, and then you can see 25 is 5 times divisible by 5. So it will be 5 upon 10, and again 10 is 2 times divisible by 5. So finally we get minus 1 upon 2 is answer. So what do you see here? Minus 1 upon 2 is in P upon Q form, and here Q is not equal to 0 and P and Q are two integers. So here we can say the closure property is closed under multiplication for two rational numbers. Now the question is, are rational numbers closed under division? So the answer is except 0. All other rational numbers are closed under division. So we can say that rational numbers are not closed under division. Finally, we observe that rational numbers are closed under addition, subtractions, and multiplications. Here, the important thing to remember is that rational numbers are not closed under division, because when we divide two rational numbers, the answer is not a rational number in all cases. For example, when we divide by 0. So, that is all about the closure property for rational numbers. About the remaining properties, we will discuss in the next video. Thank you.